Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking a French toast recipe using one of my favourite fruits, bananas. Bananas are so good for you, they're so great for your health, they're good for digestion, good for heart health, good for kidneys. They can help keep blood sugar steady and they're rich in vitamins and minerals. Bananas are such a versatile cooking ingredient, and in this recipe they're taking the place of both eggs and sugar. So let's get started. Okay, so for this you'll need about 2 ripe bananas. So I'm just going to put them into the stick blender jug. So I'm going to be using almond milk. Any almond milk is fine, or if you prefer any other type of non-dairy milk, that's okay. So we'll probably need about 3/4 of a cup. So just put that in there. Also going to add cinnamon, great for lowering blood sugar. So we'll just put cinnamon in there. A bit of nutmeg as well, goes well with bananas. And I have just vanilla bean extract. I'll just put that in too. So now I'm just going to blend it all together. So now we have a mixture that basically looks like banana smoothie. So I'm just going to pour it into a flat bowl. Now we'll get the bread. You can use any bread that you like. Obviously try to get a healthier bread. I've just got like a raisin bread and a multigrain bread here, but you can use whatever bread you prefer. So I'm just going to use some nut butter to spread on the bread. This is my own homemade nut butter. It's better if you make it yourself, but you can use bought nut butter if you prefer. So just spread the bread. So once it's spread, if you really want to treat yourself, you can add a little bit of chocolate, grated chocolate or chopped chocolate on top. And it's nice to put a little bit of extra cinnamon in. And just sandwich the bread together like that, press it together. And then we're just going to dip it into our banana mixture. So I've just got a hot pan. You can use any kind of fry pan or whatever. Just put a little bit of oil on there. Spread it out. And now all we have to do is fry the bread. So I want the bread to be golden brown on both sides. So probably take 2 or 3 minutes on each side. that's it done now. So now I'll just plate it up. So there we have the banana French toast. And for a little extra treat, just drizzle it with a bit of melted chocolate. And a little bit of cinnamon. And a few bits of chopped chocolate. And you can serve that with some whipped coconut cream and fresh fruit. And there you have a delicious treat you could have for Sunday brunch or breakfast or any time you like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.